Do you have bare floors that are uncomfortable, but you want to be able to cover them yourself and be able to move them? I'm Gina with WTI, and I was completely blown away by how versatile and beautiful these floor tiles I got from HomeCube USA are. First off, I was able to install these all by myself. We have cement floors out in our rec room, so what I decided to do was go ahead and put some moisture barrier cloth down first, and then put the tiles on top of that. I got the dark oak color, and these are 24 by 24 inches, so the 40 pack can cover 160 square feet. This is an instant upgrade to the look. My feet and back feel so much better since we installed these because they're 3/8 inch foam. I was really impressed by how durable these are too. I even drug a couple chairs across it and there were no marks, no scratches. Now, of course, it's foam, so you're going to get a little bit of an indentation when furniture is sitting on it. But one of the things I also really like about this is if we ever move, I can pick these up and take them with me. These really exceeded my expectations by how comfortable they are, the ease of putting them together, and just how amazing they look. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.